Introducing the Bauhn Travel Adaptor Powerbank with wireless charging, your ultimate travel companion. Compact and versatile, it combines charging solutions for your devices with global plug compatibility, all in one sleek design. Inside the box, you'll find the Travel Adaptor Powerbank, 4 travel plug adapters, a travel pouch carry case, a carry strap, and a user guide and warranty card. For the 4 travel plug adapters, the Type A plug, which has 2 flat, parallel prongs, is for countries like the United States, Canada, Japan, and China. The Type I plug, which has 2 diagonal prongs, is used for countries like Australia and New Zealand. The Type C plug, which has 2 round prongs, is used in most of Europe, South America, and some parts of Asia and Africa. And finally, the Type G plug, which has 3 rectangular prongs, is the standard plug type in the United Kingdom, Ireland, and some parts of Asia. Let's explore the key features of your power bank. It includes a wireless charging pad, an LED display showing battery percentage, a USB-C input and output, a USB-A output, pins for where you insert an adapter plug for mains power, a built-in USB-C cable and lightning cable, and finally a kickstand that you can pull out and extend. Setting up your travel adapter is simple. Select the appropriate plug for your destination and slide it onto the pins located at the corner of the power bank. To remove the adapter plug, push the button, if there is one, on that particular adapter and slide upwards. Please note that it does take some force to insert and remove the plugs, as it has a tight connection to ensure the adapter won't become loose. To charge your power bank, connect it to a mains power source using the travel adapter or use the USB-C input. For fast charging, the USB-C input will charge the power bank fully in approximately 3 hours. When using mains power, it may take up to 5 hours. When the USB-C fast charging input is activated, the LED indicator will light up red as shown here. Please note that while charging your power bank, if you have devices connected to the power bank at the same time, power will be shared and charging time will be extended. You can charge your devices using the built-in USB-C or lightning cables, or connect your own cable to the USB-A or USB-C output ports. The LED display will show the remaining power percentage. For wireless charging, press the power button to activate the green LED indicator. Place your phone face up on the wireless charging pad and ensure it's properly aligned. If the LED is flashing green, check for obstructions or confirm that your phone supports wireless charging. To charge low-power devices such as earbuds or smartwatches, press and hold the power button to activate trickle charging mode. The unit digit on the display will flash to indicate this mode, which will automatically turn off after 2 hours. If your device isn't charging, ensure the cable is properly connected and check the power bank's battery level. For wireless charging issues, confirm your phone supports the feature, remove any phone case, and ensure proper alignment on the charging pad. If your device won't charge while the power bank is charging, remember that the power bank does not support supplying power while it is in fast charging mode. Please wait until the power bank is fully charged or press the power button to quit fast charging mode. For additional help, contact our support team at 1300 002 534 or visit www.bauhn.com.au. We hope you enjoy the Bauhn Travel Adaptor Power Bank with wireless charging on your next adventure. Bon voyage and safe travels.